Hello, everyone. Pastor Padron here, and today I'm going to be doing my first bowl of Skyward Gate. This is another of Cornell Diehl's new Summit series, which is a series of plugs named after mountain ranges. Let me read the description of this one. An impossibly balanced blend of whole leaf red and orange flue-cured grades. This timeless all-Virginia plug reveals layers of sweetness alongside notes of dark citrus, toasted grain, and baking spice on the palate. Let's open this up, shall we? Pop this in here. And inside we have a really nice plug. It's a little bit lighter in color than the last two that I have tried. And that would be Lone Sentinel and Hoodoo or Hoodoo Ridge. How do you pronounce that? I don't know. I'm from New England. Who cares? It's very sweet, very bready, some hay notes. Smells like great Virginia to me. Shall we cut some up and see what this is like?
Yes.
All right. I've got the pipe all loaded up. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's light this baby up. Well, that didn't take very long. Right off the top, it's very toasty. There's notes of earth, some dark, unsweetened chocolate. There's some wood notes there too. There's some darker, much darker fruit notes. Yeah, it's a real deep, toasty, stone fruit kind of sweetness. There's a light peppery zing on my palate, some darker baking spice kind of notes as well, almost like they've been toasted. The retrohale is excellent. It's rich, it's dark, it's got some nice black pepper spice, a little bit of that baking spice in there as well. Lots of stuff going on in this blend. As I'm going down the bowl, it seems like the sweetness of things is ramping up just a tad, maybe a notch or two. You know, this blend reminds me a lot of Dunbarton Tobacco and Trust's Black Micarita, especially the Papasaka size.
Wow.
A very similar kind of flavor profile. Some pepper, some earth, some dark cocoa, and that cigar is very earth forward, and that's really what I'm getting here. Is it exactly the same? No, but if you like that kind of cigar, I think you'd like this kind of pipe tobacco too. Well, body, I'm going to put this medium plus to full. And strength, I'm going to put a few notches past medium. That pepper note keeps building up on my palate. Now I'm picking up something very much like a mineral note. All right, everybody. Skyward Gate by Cornell Diehl, one of their Summit series blends of plugs. This is a very, very dark, rich, all Virginia blend. I don't know that I have ever had a Virginia blend that is as dark and earthy as this. The flavors are very deep, very rich, sweet, but it's a very subdued kind of sweetness. It's smoldering in the background. It's not as sweet as a lot of Virginia blends that I've had lately, and that makes it stand out. If you're really liking Virginia blends that really bring out that kind of nice, bright, sweet, stewed fruit kind of notes, lighter bread notes, this is going to be a very different kind of experience. This is, I think, more for people who are looking for a fuller-bodied Virginia, something a little bit deeper, a little bit richer. And if that's what you're looking for, if that's the kind of thing you like to smoke, then this is not going to be a disappointment at all. I'm going to really enjoy finishing this tobacco here. And that's not just blowing smoke, people. I hope you have a safe day. Hope you have a safe week. Stay warm. And I will see you soon. Take care. God bless.